All right, welcome to the driver tutorial for Link Rides. We're gonna get right into it. First things first, when you log in, you should see a screen like this. If you're not quite here yet, make sure first you confirm your email. You have received a confirmation email from Link Rides. Check your spam folder, it might be there. But that's just to confirm your account so that we know you're a real person. Second thing, as a driver, you need to be verified by somebody on the Link Rides team. So either somebody will reach out to you, or if you've talked to somebody beforehand, they might just go ahead and do it. But look out for that, and look out for an invitation to our Link Rides drivers GroupMe. We use GroupMe to notify you of when an international student requests a ride. So assuming you've done those three things already, you've confirmed your email, you have downloaded the GroupMe app on your phone, and you've been verified by a Link Rides administrator, there's a few more things you need to do before you can start giving rides. So first, let's customize your profile. So when you log in, you should be looking at this screen. And now, if you've already uploaded a profile picture, great. If not, here's how you can do it. You can click this picture here, and you'll go to your profile, and you can customize all these things by clicking Edit Profile down here. And so right here, click again, and upload a photo of yourself so that an international student, when they see that driver user is going to be their driver, they know who to look for. You can also down here, if you haven't already, add a contact method. So if you have an Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp or WeChat, whatever those are, and then your username for that platform here. All right, so once you've set up your profile, the next thing you need to do is add a vehicle, and you can do it from this same screen. So scroll down, click add a vehicle, and then just input your vehicle's information. This is just so international students can know what to look for, what vehicle to look for when you're coming to pick them up. So go ahead and fill out this form, and then this will save, so you'll be able to use this vehicle later when you claim a ride. So I'll go ahead and fill this out now, and then we'll look at claiming a ride. Okay, once you've created your vehicle, go back to the dashboard, and then you can look at rides awaiting a driver. This is one way you can see the rides awaiting a driver. The other one is to look at that GroupMe and just watch out for notifications there. You'll get a notification every time somebody requests a ride. So you can click the link there, or you can go through the rides awaiting a driver screen here. But click on the ride that you think you can give. So international student needs a ride from here to here on April 29th at 2:30 with 2 passengers. So what you can do if you decide, yes, I can claim this ride, I can give this ride, go ahead and click claim ride and claim ride with this vehicle. If you have multiple vehicles, you can select which one it is. But we'll just do the one. And so now you've claimed your ride, and the international student just got an email saying, hey, driver user just claimed your ride. So at this point, what you want to do is go ahead and click on their profile picture and just contact them either through their email or their phone number, or if they have like a WhatsApp or something set up. Connect with the person. That way you can kind of have another touch point of communication rather than just assuming that everything is going to go off without a hitch. All right, and then once you have contacted your international student that you're giving a ride to and you have given them that ride, come back to this screen. So either you can go from the dashboard and you'll see it here. You are scheduled to give international student a ride at 2:30 p.m. Click it, say 2:30 p.m. has passed, we've done the ride, go ahead and click complete ride. This just helps us know that this actually happened, that it actually worked out, and that everything went off okay. And if you have any questions, you can obviously contact us, but that's about it. Thank you so much for being a driver for Link Rides. We really appreciate you. And yeah, hopefully now you're ready to go give some rides to some international students and serve them in that way.